Hi kids, in this video we'll discuss the Herons formula. Actually we are going to derive the formula. Now we know that for any triangle, if you know the three sides of the triangle, then the area of the triangle is given by root of s multiplied by s minus a multiplied by s minus b multiplied by s minus c, where a, b, c are the sides of the triangle and s is the semi-perimeter, which is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Now this was given by Herons from Alexandria, and he was a Greek mathematician and engineer. Now let us derive his formula. Now before deriving the formula, we should have few basic knowledge. First thing, in any triangle, suppose this is a triangle ABC, and on BC you drop a perpendicular AM, then area is given as half multiplied by base multiplied by the altitude or the corresponding height, which is AM in this case. Okay, this we know. Second thing, Pythagoras theorem. We all know that in a right angle triangle, suppose I've drawn a right angle triangle, right angled at B, then AC becomes a hypotenuse. Then the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the two sides. The third one, difference of square, that is x square minus y square, is equal to x minus y, x plus y. Clear? We all know this. Now let us derive the formula. Now let us take a triangle, suppose PQR, where PQ is A unit, QR is B unit, and PR is C unit. From P, I'll drop a perpendicular PM, suppose, whose length is H unit. Over here, QR is divided in two parts. QM I've taken as X, suppose X. Then MR will be B minus X, because the entire thing was B. Okay. Now, just look. There are two triangles. PQM. In triangle PQM, if you look carefully, H square plus X square is equal to A square. Pythagoras theorem. Equation 1. Then, look at triangle PMR. PMR. Over there, H square plus B minus X whole square is equal to C square. This is your equation 2. From these two equations, I'll try to find the value of X. How? Just subtract these two. So we have H square plus X square equals to A square, and H square plus B minus X whole square equals to C square. When I subtract, see, this goes away. So it becomes X square minus B minus X whole square equals to A square minus C square. I'll just open the bracket. So this is X square minus, this is A square plus B square minus 2AB is equal to A square minus C square. So further, when I open this bracket, this becomes like this. Just changing the sign. Look carefully. X square cancels out. Then 2bx, look carefully, 2bx is equal to A square. This goes over there, becomes plus B square minus C square. So x will be what? A square plus B square minus C square by 2b, isn't it? So we got the value of x. Now substitute the value of x over here. You can substitute anywhere. I'll put it in equation 1. Putting the value or substituting the value of x in equation 1. What do we get? H square. See, once we got x, our next motive is to find h plus x square, which is A square plus B square minus C square by 2b whole square is equal to A square, isn't it? Now just open the brackets. So H square plus, this is A square plus B square minus C square whole square by 4b square, isn't it, equals to A square. Take this on that side. So H square equals to A square minus, this is A square plus B square minus C square whole square by 4b square. Done? Just look carefully. I'll take LCM. So this is 4b square. This multiplies by this becomes 4a square b square minus a square plus b square minus c square whole square. Now look, very interesting. H square, can I write this as 2ab whole square minus a square plus b square minus c square whole square by 4b square? Definitely I can write. Now this is in the formula of x square minus y square. Now we know that this will be x plus y and then x minus y. So the sign changes, isn't it? By 4b square. Now look carefully. We'll try to arrange. Now this is, look carefully, h square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab will be a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square minus c square over there, isn't it? And in the second one, look carefully, c square, and if you take minus common, it becomes a square plus b square minus twice ab, if I'm not wrong, okay, by 4b square. Done till now? Now look carefully. H square is equal to, this is what? Again, x square minus y square, which is a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c. Now, this we can write as x square minus a minus b whole square, isn't it? By 4b square. Now look carefully. So this becomes h square equals to, this is a plus b plus c, a plus b minus c, and this is again x minus y and x plus y. So x plus y, x minus y by 4b square. Am I clear? Now what we do, we take s as a plus b plus c by 2. Okay, then twice of s becomes a plus b plus c. Now look carefully. H square equals to, instead of a plus b plus c, I can write 2s. 2s. Look carefully. A plus b minus c. Now, instead of a plus b, can I write 2s minus c? 2s minus c minus c. Then again, c plus a, can I write 2s minus b? 2s minus b minus b. Similarly, b plus c over there. So b plus c, I can write 2s minus a. So this is 2s minus a by 4b square. We are almost there, you know. So h square is equal to 2s minus 2c, 2s minus 2b, 2s minus 2a by 4b square. Okay, I'll take 2 common from here, here, which means h square equals to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 s minus c, s minus b, s minus a by 4b square. For 1 time, 4 times. Which means, what we got? H is equal to root of, look carefully, 4s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c by b square. So we got the value of h, which is 4s, s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. Now the area of this triangle, what I'll do, I'll just rub this, this part I'll rub, okay? Now just see, okay? Area is equal to half into base, which is b, into the height, which we just got 4s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c by b square. Solve it. So this is half multiplied by b. Square root of 4 is 2 into this b comes out root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Isn't it? This b 2 cancels, which means I can say that area of the triangle with sides a, b and c can be written as root of s minus a, s minus b and s minus c, and that's your Herons formula. Okay, first thing, in these two triangles, use Pythagoras theorem, evaluate the value of x by subtracting. Once you got x, over here you had, I've wrapped it, it was a square is equal to h square plus x square, you substitute the value of x, you get the value of h. Okay, once you get the value of h, things are simple. Okay, we use this formula a lot while finding the area of the triangle. Keep it till here in this video. In the next video, we'll see some other thing. Till then, take care. And if you like the video, do subscribe, okay, and share.